You're hiking when your friend collapses. Would you know what to do? Take this quiz now. Comment your score below. Let's see if you're a hero or a bystander. A deep cut is gushing blood. Do you elevate the arm or press hard with a clean cloth? Correct answer. B. Press hard with a clean cloth. Pressure stops bleeding fastest. Elevation is a myth. Your conscious friend can't breathe. Do you perform Heimlich maneuver or slap their back 5 times? Correct answer. A. Perform Heimlich maneuver. Back blows are for infants only. Use Heimlich for adults. A fresh burn blisters. Do you pop blister plus apply cream or run cool water 10 minutes plus cover? Correct. Answer B. Run cool water 10 minutes plus cover. Popping causes infection. Cool water reduces swelling. Unresponsive adult isn't breathing. Do you give 2 rescue breaths first or start chest compressions first? Correct answer, B. Start chest compressions first. New guidelines. Begin with compressions. CAB method. Think you are a survival pro? Wait for our next quiz? Could you survive alone in the wild? Will you freeze, starve, or make it out alive? Subscribe to find out. Snake bite on the leg. Do you suck out venom or immobilize limb? Keep below heart. Correct answer. B. Immobilize limb. Keep below heart. Sucking venom is dangerous. Immobilize and stay calm. Heat stroke symptoms appear. Do you give fluids plus fan them or apply ice packs to neck or groin? Correct answer. B. Apply ice packs to neck, ear, groin. Cooling comes first. Fluids can wait until alert. Sprained ankle swelling. Do you rest, ice, compress, elevate, or massage plus heat pad? Correct. Answer A. Rest, ice, compress, elevate. Rice method reduces swelling. Heat increases inflammation. Nosebleed occurs. Do you tilt head back or lean forward, pinch nostrils? Correct answer. B. Lean forward, pinch nostrils. Leaning forward prevents choking. Tilting back risks swallowing blood. Suspected spinal injury. Do you keep still, don't move them, or roll into recovery position? Correct. Answer A. Keep still, don't move them. Moving spinal injury victims can cause paralysis. Recognizing a stroke. Which sign is key? Chest pain or facial drooping plus slurred speech? Correct answer. B. Facial drooping plus slurred speech. Remember fast, face, arms, speech, time. Comment your score below. Got 8+ out of 10? You're a lifesaver. Share this quiz. It might save someone. Like and subscribe for more great quizzes.